these classes. And well, today it's time to learn about this sound. Of course, the T sound. Well, first of all, how can we make this sound in English? Well, you need to use your tongue. Yes, your tongue. And then, come on, let's touch the roof of your mouth. Yes, behind your teeth. Okay, come on, do it. Yeah, perfect. Well, in English, sometimes we do pronounce this sound and sometimes we don't do it. So, the first thing here, it's time to talk about silent T. Yes. For example, we don't pronounce it when words end this way. Yes. Come on, let's see some examples. The first one, you know it. Come on. How do you say that word? We don't say listen. We only say listen. 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 Yes, listen. Or what about the next word? Come on, say it. Aha. We say castle. Castle. We don't say castle. No, that's wrong. Only castle. Castle. Yes. And what about the next one? Come on, say it. We say wrestle. Wrestle. Yeah. So could you see, in this type of words, we don't pronounce it. It is a silent T. Yes, good job. Come on, now, let's talk about something else. Come on, it's time to learn about soft T. Soft T. Yes, we don't pronounce this I mean strong, but we do pronounce it. Come on, let's see some examples. Can you pronounce this word for me? All right. So we have W-A-T-C-H. It's a w-a-t-t. All right. So can we pronounce a T here? Yes, we can. Come on, let's say it. What? What? So in this word, yeah, actually our tongue touched the roof of your mouth and we say what? Yes, this is the T. It is a soft T. What? What? Okay, let's see another one. Yeah, we have this word. S-K-E-T-C-H. One more time. T-C-H. So we say sketch. Sketch. This is a T. Of course, it's a soft T. Or what about match? Match. Match. This is a T. Yes. Very good. So today you learned about silent T as in listen and soft T as in match. All right. So come on, let's practice. Here you go.